Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. If you have already subscribed, thanks for that. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell because there are a lot of important content coming up here. This video is very educative. Please share to your friends so that they can get the benefit of this video. There is a feature channel under this channel. Please subscribe to that channel for me. That is Teddy and Brian Tutorials. Leave all your comments and suggestions in the comment box below. There are many important information in the description button. Try to check them out. You can join our Telegram channel for free tips or tricks on getting free data, Netflix accounts, DSTV, Wi-Fi connections, and many more.
How can I make money online in Ghana with my phone? One of the challenges that freelancers and online sellers used to face in Ghana was how to receive payments. New payments methods such as mobile money are solving this problem. Mobile money, MoMo, is a fast, secure, and convenient way to send and receive money, make payments, and do other transactions using a mobile phone. There are several online jobs in Ghana that pay through mobile money after completing a given task. The following are available genuine online jobs in Ghana that will pay through mobile money. Online jobs that pay through mobile money in Ghana. The following are one of the best options for one to earn money online in Ghana through mobile money. Jumia Affiliate. E-commerce is on the rise as most people prefer to buy goods online. Jumia is an answered prayer to those who prefer making cashless payments for online trade. Being one of the biggest online marketplaces in Ghana, it has many different kinds of products. This gives affiliates a wide range of products to advertise. As a Jumia affiliate, you will advertise goods sold on Jumia by creating links on your website or social media platforms. Once the goods are purchased, you gain a commission. Jumia affiliates can use payment processing websites such as Rave, Hubtold, SlidePay, or ExpressPay to accept mobile money payments. Triaba Ghana. Triaba Ghana is one of the best platforms for online surveys that pay through mobile money in Ghana. To make money on Triaba, you will first need to register and create your profile. The surveys you get match your profile. The surveys are quite simple and usually consist of a question and answer parts. Once the survey is complete, you get paid through mobile money. Online surveys are ideal jobs for students. Peepawpaw. Peepawpaw is a Ghanaian website that connects traders online. It acts as an intermediary between traders and ensures that they find a trusted person for you to trade with. You can sell on Peepawpaw using a personal account or a business account, and once your product is sold, you are paid through mobile money. If you use this platform well, it could be your source of online jobs in Ghana that pays daily through mobile money. Cryptocurrency/Bitcoin trade in Ghana. Cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity in Ghana and people are earning good money online by trading, holding, and investing in crypto. You can make profits by buying Bitcoin when the price is lower and sell it when there is an increase in the price. Platforms that will allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in Ghana using mobile money include PayPlux, BitPesa, CoinDirect, eBitPoint, Paxful, and Binance. If you want to learn how to buy and sell Bitcoin, you can check this video's description. I have placed a link which will help you learn how to buy and sell Bitcoin.